Welcome to the Bactosure Prime instructional video. Today, we'll guide you through the proper use and maintenance of your Bactosure Prime testing device, ensuring accurate results and safe handling of samples. Firstly, it's crucial to store your reagent packs correctly. Maintain them at temperatures between 2 to 30 degrees Celsius, ideally within the 4 to 7 degrees Celsius range. To preserve their integrity, you may want to keep these in the refrigerator. Before we start, ensure your safety and prevent cross-contamination by wearing disposable gloves and applying hand sanitizer. It's vital to protect yourself and maintain the integrity of your testing environment. Before testing, ensure your workspace and device are clean. Wipe the inside of your Bactosure Prime with an alcohol-based sanitizing wipe to eliminate any contaminants. Check your sample bag contains exactly 100 ml of the sample. This precision is key for accurate testing. Always verify the expiration date of your reagent before use. Using an expired reagent can affect the reliability of your test results. After adding the reagent to your sample bag, shake it vigorously until the reagent is fully dissolved. This ensures the sample is properly prepared for testing. Select a location to use the Bactosure Prime that is clean, not in direct sunlight, is between 2 and 30 degrees Celsius, and will not be disturbed for the duration of the test. To start the test, press the Start button on the display. Scan the sample bag tag on the front, insert the bag inside the device, and replace the lid. You may need to wait several hours for a result as the bacteria in the sample multiply. The test result will be shown on the screen. Provided that your device is connected to the internet, a provisional test report will be available for you at bactosure.com. Your report will be finalized after it has been double-checked by a Bactosure team member. Understanding the health risks associated with E. coli is essential. For example, a drinking water sample with between 10 and 100 colony-forming units of E. coli may have a medium health risk. A detailed interpretation table is included in the operating manual. After testing, it's important to safely inactivate the sample. Add 10 ml of bleach to the sample bag and leave it for at least 30 minutes before disposal. Dispose of the neutralized sample in the toilet and the bag in landfill waste, adhering to proper waste management protocols. Sometimes accidents happen. You may find that a sample bag has leaked or you've spilled the sample. If this occurs, ensure that you are wearing protective gloves. Inactivate the sample if you haven't done so already. Dispose of any liquids in the toilet. Using an absorbent paper towel, soak up excess liquid. You may use plastic forceps to clean the inside of the device. Thoroughly sanitize the surfaces with an alcohol wipe. The Bactosure Prime will ask you to perform an ice point check every 6 months to ensure your device's temperature accuracy. Fill the chamber of the device with food-grade crushed ice and add water. Follow the instructions on the screen. If the temperature is close to 0 degrees, then you can be confident that the device is working correctly. Remember to carefully read the operating manual before using the Bactosure Prime. This contains important information on safely using the device and how to troubleshoot common problems. Thank you for choosing Bactosure Prime. With proper usage and maintenance, your device will provide reliable testing results, ensuring safety and quality in your applications.